Okay, foodies, let's make Salisbury meatballs. Start with 2 ounces of Worcestershire sauce, 4 ounces of onion soup mix, and 3 tablespoons of Miss Edna Mae's meatloaf seasoning, which is also good for ground turkey. If you don't have yours yet, then use whatever seasonings you have. Now mix all of your ingredients together. You want to roll your ground turkey mixture into 2-ounce sized meatballs. I used 2 pounds of ground turkey and I got about 15 2-ounce meatballs. Once you have all of your ground turkey mix rolled and panned, we want to put them into an oiled medium-high heat pan. You want to get as many meatballs into the pan as you can, but definitely you don't want to overcrowd it. Leave a little space between each meatball so they can cook evenly. Once you have your pan filled, you want to let the meatballs cook for about 2 minutes before you check for this beautiful brown crust. Once they're browned, you want to go ahead and turn them all over and let them cook until they're done all the way through. Once they're done, you want to go ahead and remove them from the pan so we can now get ready to go ahead and make our mushroom gravy. Add your sliced mushrooms to the pan drippings from the turkey and stir until they are coated with the juice. Once they're nice and coated, you want to add in 2 cups of beef broth. Stir the mushrooms and broth from scraping the bottom of the pan to lift up all of the fixings. Now we want to add a cup of all-purpose flour water mix into the mushroom broth mix and stir until it's nice and thick like this. Once it's thickened, you want to add in your meatballs. Once you have all your meatballs added into the gravy, you want to let them sit and simmer for about 5 minutes. This is where all of the delicious flavors are going to blend together. Just let them simmer. And once everything has simmered together for 5 minutes, you now have your delicious Salisbury meatballs. And now comes the best part. Time to eat it. I fixed mashed potatoes and sauteed green beans to go with mine. And just look at that gravy. I think I'm gonna have one more meatball. Okay, y'all. I'm hoping that they taste as good as they smell. We love it when the fork glides right through. Okay, now the moment of truth. Ooh, this is good. Y'all gotta try this. Okay, your turn.